guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So a few days back I had ordered some products from Purplle including beauty and makeup, and so I thought of creating a haul video, which I generally don't, but this time I just thought of creating one because मैंने अपने Instagram पे पूछा था और सबने बोला कि हाँ create one. So got this big carton with lot of products. I'm going to show you one by one. आपको थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ कर देती हूँ कि इस वीडियो में क्या होने वाला है. So basically मैंने जो प्रोडक्ट्स ऑर्डर किए थे Purplle से इंक्लूडिंग ब्यूटी एंड मेकअप, वो मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ. थोड़ा बहुत उसका रिव्यू भी दूंगी जो मैंने ऑलरेडी यूज़ किया है. अदरवाइज दे आर लाइक फ्यू लिपस्टिक्स जिनका रिव्यू शायद बहुत अच्छे से होना चाहिए. तो अगर इफ़ यू वांट द रिव्यू आप मेरे को बता सकते हो. So while ordering from Purplle, I got to know few things which I didn't know about, and I also received one gift from them. So yeah, मैं सब कुछ आपको बताऊंगी इस वीडियो के बीच में. हो सकता है कुछ चीज़ें बताऊं, so please don't escape in between and watch it till the end. First I'll show you some beauty products which I have, and then I will move to makeup. So first is this one. This is Good Vibes Rose Glow Toner. My everyday skincare, I need a toner and I use this product. It has got good spray and also till now I am liking it. And इससे I kind of like I spray 4 times on my face and it actually covers my whole face. So till now I really like this product. So moving to price, the price is 195 and on Purplle I got this for 166 rupees. Alright, so the second product is this. This Carmesy, if I'm pronouncing it right, Carmesy facial razor for women, instant and painless hair removal, it says. So it got 3 razors in it. It's 1, then 2 more. So talking about the price, on the box it says 299 rupees, and let's see how much I got this for. Got this one for 224 rupees, which is a really good deal. I have never used any razors on my face. I kind of don't do anything for my facial hair. I just get it waxed, like the upper lips, and my eyebrows done from a salon. So this is the first time I'm going to try this. I got so many lipsticks, तो मैं lipsticks को last में दिखाऊंगी. पहले दूसरी products दिखाती हूँ. This is the third product. This is a beauty blender from NY Bay. What does it say? It says lots of things. It says easy to use, flawless finish, teardrop shape, which is latex free, maximum coverage, expands in water. True, expands in water, of course it will. So I used this beauty blender today. I tried to use these products for today's makeup. I didn't do too much, but मैं सोचा जो भी like lipstick and अगर मैं beauty blender या कुछ ऐसा use कर सकती हूँ आज, तो let's do this, like why not. So till now I think this is a good product, and it is also very soft, like so soft. And talking about the price, this actual price is 199 rupees and I got this for 179 rupees. Yeah, so also one thing I missed, I think I got actually 1, 2, 3, I got 3 free products. 3, no 4. I got 4 free products. Can never imagine that. Well, मैं वो भी बताऊंगी. Let's move to the next product. Next product is from Stay Quirky Liquid Foundation enriched with vitamin E. This is the product. Okay. Ugh. It's kind of difficult to take this cap off. I have not used it yet. मतलब अच्छे से मैंने नहीं यूज़ किया इसको अभी तक, but I kind of applied it on my hand. So मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा liquid है. It's like if I put it here तो ऐसे it is like that liquidy. The shade of this foundation is Honey I'm Golden. This is not my shade. I ordered this for my sister. It is 165 the actual price and I got this for 140 rupees. मेरे को ये सारा सामान कुछ 1600 का पड़ा था, अराउंड इट वॉज अराउंड दैट. एंड तो मुझे ये एक सैम्पल मिला है उसके साथ में, विच इज़ फ्रॉम एल्प्स गुडनेस स्विस लव. ओके, इसमें लेट्स सी क्या है. मेरे को ये एक सैम्पल मिला है. इसमें एल्प्स गुडनेस के ये 3 शैम्पू के सैशे हैं, विच इज़ फॉर one is for dry hair, the other is for oily hair, and the last one is for all hair types. So I got this one for free. which I don't know if I'm going to use because बालों के साथ में कोई खेल नहीं. Okay guys, moving forward, this is the second product I ordered from Stay Quirky. This is a translucent powder in the shade 01 Put Out. Like, for me it is kind of fragile. I've used this product today and I think it is a nice product. Okay, I'm like a little scared while opening it. So basically I think this is a nice product. अभी तक जितना मैंने use किया, I think this is a good one. But for the packaging, I'm not so much impressed with the packaging because it kinds of fall. So that's how one is going to waste the product. So yeah, that's it. So let's talk about the price also. This one is for 349 rupees and I got this for 297 rupees. Talking about Stay Quirky products and Stay Quirky brand, I'm going to show you one more product which I got free from them. Maybe this is because I ordered 2 products, so that is why I got the third product for free. Maybe because the order value was not very less, I may say. That is why they gave this for free. So this is a lipstick pencil I got from Stay Quirky. Okay, I'm wearing this lipstick only today. It has got a little glitter on it. It's like kind of very shiny. Okay, I got this finally. It is very light, very light, and this is the shade. You can see. Not a very big fan of the quality and yeah, the quality only, but I think it is good for eyes. Like, I applied it above my eyes today on my eyelids and this is actually good. It is blendable. ये बहुत अच्छे से blend हो गया. तो if you don't like it on your lips, then wait on your eyes. The website, the color is like maroon. It is totally different, and as you can see, this is the color I got for the shade. So it is totally different. But anyway, maybe this is what you get when you get things for free. Different. Well, the actual price of this is 259 rupees. I got few lipsticks from Purple. 3 lipsticks which I got. These are liquid lipsticks. These are mini lipsticks. And this is the packaging. I actually ordered 2 lipsticks and I got the third one for free. Talking about their quality, I actually kind of applied it over here. I rubbed it and I kind of tried to wash it with water, but it didn't go away with. So it says long lasting transfer proof, which I think it is, but I'm not sure about it. So if you want me to do one review video on these lipsticks, then please let me know. I would love to create one. One thing which is kind of irritating, that I ordered 2 lipsticks here. One is light pink color and the other is dark pink color. So basically I ordered one which is the lightest in pinks that Purple had, and the other is the darkest in pink. It's kind of fuchsia color. But if I just like check these lipsticks now in my hands, like which do you think is lighter and which do you think is darker? I mean, there is difference. There is obviously difference in the color, but this, like, it is not the lightest shade. Even if I'm just looking at it like this, I cannot find like which one is the lightest. So I think this one is, but still, like, what you see on the screen, you don't get that sometimes. ऐसा होता है ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करने में, स्पेशली कॉस्मेटिक्स में, दैट जो स्क्रीन पे दिखता है वैसा एग्जैक्टली हमें नहीं मिलता है. So that is the other concern. And let's check the prices. So the actual price of these lipsticks is 225 rupees. I got them for different prices. The one which is the lightest pink color, I got this for 214. The next, which is the fuchsia or the dark pink color, I got this for 191 rupees. I ordered few things from NY Bay also, and this is the beauty blender which I had already shown you. Next, I got these 2 things. I ordered this lipstick. This is the color, which is very beautiful. The shade name is Nude Peppy Pearson 1. And this lipstick is exactly how it looks like on the screen. It is not different at all. And I have applied it once only, and I like the application, but for the review I have to actually wear it and then go somewhere and then actually see how it actually works. So if you want a review, you can let me know. And this one is I got free. So this is one of the products, one of the 3 to 4 products which I got for free. This is a lip liner. The color actually goes with the lipstick I ordered from NY Bay. Okay, the name of this lip liner is Terracotta Liberty Lady 13. If you see on the screen, the color is kind of like really dark, but in actual the color is kind of light. So ये product जो मैं screen पे दिखता है वो actual product से actually अलग है. The color is different. Okay, so here we are done. These are all the products which I got. And अगर आपको किसी भी चीज़ का रिव्यू चाहिए हो for the lipsticks, and मैंने काफ़ी चीज़ें ट्राई किया बताने के लिए, आज यूज़ भी किया था कुछ चीज़ें जिससे मैं देख पाऊँ और आप भी देख पाएँ कि एक्चुअली कैसा लगता है फेस पे. बट इफ़ यू वांट रिव्यू ऑन एनी ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट्स, प्लीज़ लेट मी नो in the comment section. I would love to create it. So the one thing which I ordered on Purplle website is that फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ कि जो प्राइस है वो बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लक्चुएट होता है. अगर मैंने आज कोई, क्योंकि ये अराउंड 1 वीक तक मेरे ऑर्डर लिस्ट में था, बिकॉज आई वांटेड दैट ब्यूटी स्पॉन्ज, दैट ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर फ्रॉम NY Bay, बट वो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो गया था तो मैं उसके लिए वेट कर रही थी. तो पहले जो प्राइस था वो इट्स लाइक आवर्स में फ्लक्चुएट होता रहता है. मैंने सुबह देखा है तो इट इज़ फॉर 200 रुपीज़, शाम को देखा है इट इज़ फॉर 250 रुपीज़. तो ऐसे अदर थिंग इज़ दैट इनके जो ऑफर्स हैं, लाइक आई हैड शोन यू 3 थिंग्स विच आई गॉट फॉर फ्री, 2 लिपस्टिक एंड 1 लिप लाइनर. ये बहुत ज़्यादा चेंज होता है. पहले मुझे कुछ और प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा था, मैंने शाम को चेक किया तो कुछ और प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा था. एंड yeah, so these are the 2 things which actually like fluctuates a lot. First, price, and the second is that the offers that you get on it. So I hope you find this video helpful, and yeah, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel today if you have not yet. If you want to check my Instagram account, the link is mentioned in the description box below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.